So in the previous session, we have understood one first kind of the ambiguity which we face or which we encounter when dealing with the textual data, that is lexical ambiguity. So the lexical ambiguity was dealing with the ambiguity involved in the vocabulary of a sentence or vocabulary of a given sentence. So we are moving to the next ambiguity, that is syntactic ambiguity. So first let us understand what does this word syntactic means. So syntactic means a syntax of a sentence. So this syntax, this is a well-known or a well-heard word, that is syntax. So given a programming language, say C or Python, we will follow certain rules and regulations in order to code in that particular language. And the way you write the code in the C language and the way you write the code in the Python language would be entirely different, and these differences are generically mentioned as syntax. So coming to the English language, so these syntaxes are the rules and principles which govern the structure of a sentence. So syntax is nothing but the rules or the ways which you need to follow when you want to structure a sentence. So what does this syntactic ambiguity deals with? By the word you can say that this will be dealing with the confusions involved in structure of a sentence. So I will explain you that with the following example. So taking this example number 2, here the old man and woman were taken to the hospital. So as a human beings, we can come into two different conclusions by this sentence, right? So the very first thing is the old man and a old woman were taken to the hospital. This is first conclusion. Second thing, old man and a normal woman or a young woman were taken to the hospital. So we can come up with a different summary or a different meaning based on the usage of this sentence or how this structure of a sentence is made, right? So if a sentence was written in this way, that is old man and old woman were taken to the hospital, then it was very easy to understand. But now the scenario is old man and woman were taken to the hospital. So here it gives rise to a ambiguity, that is syntactic ambiguity. So there will be many such examples or many such sentences which involves these kind of structural confusions of a sentences. So we can narrate many more such examples when we talk about this syntactic ambiguity.